Russia cuts gas supplies to more EU countries, and Egypt to welcome a new $4 billion waste-to-hydrogen plant. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Russian energy giant Gazprom has completely cut off gas supplies to Denmark's Ørsted and Shell, which supplies fuel to Germany, after both firms failed to make payments in rubles. Gazprom says payments for gas supplied since April 1st must be made in rubles via new account details, and these countries had been informed. Gazprom had already suspended gas supplies to the Netherlands, Finland, Poland, and Bulgaria for refusing to pay in rubles. Rising food prices and diminishing supplies because of the Ukraine war will likely last through 2024. That's according to S&P. It says fertilizer shortages, export controls, disrupted global trade, and escalating fuel and transport costs will all exert upward pressure on the cost of staples. Analysts say low to middle income countries in Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and the Caucasus could be worst hit. The General Authority for Suez Canal Economic Zone has inked an MOU with H2 Industries to build a new waste-to-hydrogen facility at a new greenfield site in East Port Said for $4 billion. Officials say the agreement will pave the way towards producing green hydrogen project from waste recycling. The MOU is not mandatory until H2 Industries finishes all feasibility studies. The final contract will be issued to coincide with COP27 in November. Staying in Egypt, Cairo-based quick commerce startup Appetito has acquired Tunisian company Llama in a swap shares deal worth between $10 to $15 million. Appetito says it aims to expand in Morocco and Tunisia as they connect Egypt and the Middle East with West Africa and French-speaking African markets. Appetito delivers products to customers through its online platform and uses 11 dark stores across 3 cities in Egypt. Llama has operations in Tunisia and Morocco through 3 dark stores and 1 distribution center. Binance Labs, the VC arm of crypto exchange Binance, has raised $500 million for its investment fund focused on companies involved in the blockchain and Web3 spaces. The fund is supported by investment firms DST Global Partners, Breyer Capital, and Wampoa Group, as well as by other private equity firms and family offices. Despite the fall in the prices of cryptos, big institutional investors have been trying to get involved more heavily in the space. The interest around cryptos has spilled over into blockchain and Web3, with high-profile investment companies like Silver Lake and SoftBank also betting on the sector. Prosecutors have raided the offices of top German asset manager DWS over allegations that the company misled investors about green investments. DWS allegedly exaggerated the green credentials of investments it sold, a practice known as greenwashing. It's another setback for Deutsche Bank, DWS's majority owner. Deutsche Bank has been trying to move on from regulatory breaches, including money laundering and securities mis-selling, leading to billions in fines. Meta has compared searches by EU antitrust regulators to a phishing super trawler as they investigate Facebook's data and online marketplace. Meta says it's already handed over more than 1 million documents to the European Commission since 2019 regarding its Facebook marketplace, social networking, and online classified ads. Meta has criticized the agency's use of 2,500 search phrases to trawl its documents. Meta faces an $8.6 million daily penalty if it doesn't comply with the demands, so it's taken its grievance to the EU's second highest court. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is Jeff Bezos, up $5 billion with net wealth of $145.9 billion. Our second biggest winner today is battery mogul Robin Zhang, up $2.6 billion with net wealth of $36.4 billion. And our third place winner is Mukesh Ambani, up $2.1 billion with net wealth of $98.1 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. Tesla may be testing a pilot project to turn homes in Texas into virtual power plants by tapping into their spare battery capacity. The spare battery capacity could provide grid services in the state with power within seconds. Tesla executives say their pilot project examined 64 homes in northern Texas fitted with the firm's rooftop solar and Powerwall batteries. They say the home batteries could help reduce stress on the state grid, and Tesla could launch a residential program within a year. I'm Ramya Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.